if you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then what you can do is, for example, you can use the USB cable that is provided with the phone that we can find inside the box, and if possible, if you have appropriate port, then you can connect it to your computer. Over here I have a different USB cable, but it works as well. So I can, if I don't have the power adapter or charger, then for the meantime, until I actually get the power adapter or charger, I can use my computer, for example, to charge my phone. It will be slow because the USB cable, if connected to the computer, it doesn't really provide that much power, but it is an alternative, at least until you get the power adapter. And of course, you should get the power adapter or charger because it is the fastest way to charge your phone. If you're wondering if you can use, for example, a wireless charger, then unfortunately no, we do not have wireless charging option available for this phone, so we have to use the USB cable. And once you get the charger or power adapter, this is of course another way to charge the phone. You don't really have to get the original Samsung charger, you can get any other well-known brands, so for example like Xiaomi or Motorola or something similar. And they work as well as long as the input on the charger is correct, because in the box you have USB-C on both ends, so the port in the power adapter should also be USB-C so that you can use the original cable. Or if you have USB-C to USB-A cable, so like this one with the bigger USB-C input, then of course you can use charger that supports this cable as well. So let's actually plug it in. There we go. And of course, the USB-C cable goes into the phone at the bottom, into the charging port or USB-C port. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.